So I hear people are having the same issue as me, where the chain is hitting the side of this knob, but my wheel's straight. It's got plenty of gap. So, upon further inspection, there's actually a chain guide that's way out of alignment. See that chain guide? I mean, that's supposed to keep the center of that chain centered. It looks to me like it's pushing it off, if anything. So that may be the issue. Let me see if there's a way I can fix that. I put that little metal bracket because when I got it, this was broke and it hung down. So this has a little knob that this has to go into, and that's off too for an alignment. So this chain guide is definitely pushing that chain off. This is the front where it goes up against near the sprocket. The bottom is doing its job. I wonder what I could do about that. I mean, this is all crooked even. So I'm going to have to cut this knob off because that's dead center. And as you can see, well, I don't know if you can, that hole is way off from center of that chain. So I'm going to have to cut this tab off here. I cut a piece of galvanized, pretty thick gauge tin. I'm going to rivet it underneath there with 2 rivets. Then I can line it up where it's got to go under the chain and bend that tab down. And have it lined up about there. And then I could drill the hole, put the bolts back in, and that should do it. So yeah, I oiled it. WD-40 to clean the chain. I've been putting chain oil on it since I owned it. The chain was tight when I started. I knew it was a shit chain to begin with, but when you'd spin it, you could hear like that grindy kind of noise before. And now it's clean and smooth. But this chain was tight. Now look. Plus, pretty sure it's stretch. I ordered an O-ring chain today, but see how it's trying to go into the sprocket? Next thing it'll do, where it's going in that sprocket, next thing it does is wear the sprocket to make the teeth sharp, and then you got to do the sprockets too. So hopefully the O-ring chain will fix that. Then we'll be good. Plus this side to side. A normal chain doesn't have a lot of side flex.